This darbar should not end without my expressing my immense gratitude, my immense admiration for the literally thousands of volunteers close to me, far from me, who have all through this Golden Jubilee year given such remarkable service in hundreds of different ways to make sure that the Golden Jubilee was the year that they wanted it to be and that I wanted it to be. Keep in mind that though I may not be with you physically, you're always in my heart, my thoughts and my prayers. And no ocean, no desert, no mountain can separate the Jamaat from the Imam. I place my hand on the shoulder of every Murid around the world to convey to each one of you, individually, my warmest and my most affectionate, paternal, maternal loving blessings.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.